yourself.
Defend my...
Fight me.
What are you doing?
I said fight me. What's that, Hiccup? You want to fight to the death?
What? Who said that? Nobody said that.
You did.
Whoa. Ow! I'm not gonna fight you, Snotlout!
You see that? The future chief is a coward. You heard me. Come on, hit me.
You know you want to. Fine, but remember, you wanted this.
What'd you do that for? Hold on, I gotta take it. Mom, Dad, Hiccup punched me. I'm really thirsty.
Clubhouse, now. And get him some ice.